from a bird's eye view with an eagle in the sky. The creek's not flowing, it's lounging still, with tea-stained water and a slow day thrill. It shimmers bronze in the midday sun, like the bush just sighed and said, I'm done.
The eagles coast on a westerly breeze. No need to flap, just cruise with ease. The beach below's all hush and gold, while springtime wattles strutting bold.
From the eagle's eye I see it all, a secret sinkhole, a tidal call. The waves do waltz, the shadows sway down Mallacouta's coast today. I spy wildflowers dressed to please, dancing soft in the coastal breeze. Yellow wattle with a wink of flare, throwing color through the thinning air.
Kangaroo prints by the trickling stream, wallaby trails through a lunchtime dream. Wombats strolling like they own the scene. Nature's got style and a smoky lean.
There's a sinkhole where the waves once played, a rocky dip where shade won't fade. From the eagle's eye I see it all, the Tannin Creek, the southern squall. The world rolls by in coastal time, where life's in rhythm and so is mine.
Mallacoota, baby, you've got that sway.
Shipwreck swinging through the day,
And I'm still flying just my way.